I wanted to make something that to hold the wire for burning rings and stuff when you have it in the lathe. So what I decided to do was take an old saw that came with some flooring I bought one time. So what I've decided to do with it, haul out that blade. Just cut off a piece of wire. And we will start down there. It's going down pretty good. Right down to the end. Take to that side, we'll start her down. Take her down to the end of the slot. We're going to cut her off. Now for my little burning rig, I'm going to try to solder a little ball on the end of the wire. Turn the ends up a little bit, it might help hold the ball on instead of being straight. We're going to add a little bit of flux to it. It's a tiny little drop on the ends here. Don't take much. A little heat up for a second. Shouldn't take very long. I don't know what the wire is made of, maybe it won't stick to it. Never seen it before. Not in my life. I'm old. Burnt the end right off. Soldering iron. I think I have more tips. Probably not here, probably home, but oh well, sorry. I'm going to try a little soldering iron. While that's heating up, I'll tell you another little story. My Crocs. When you're wood turning or cutting wood, my safety shoe Crocs leak sawdust in all the holes in the top. So what I've decided to do was tape them up. What do you think of that? Let's see if that's hot enough to get a little bit of solder melted on the end of this. A little dab of flux. Beautiful stuff if I haven't mentioned it. Not sure what type of wire that is. So now we have a little ball of solder in this end, a little ball of solder on end. It shouldn't come out. Unless it gets so hot when you're wood burning that it melts the solder. And put a bit of hot melt glue on the ends. So it's not so sharp. Anyway, here's hot glue on the ends. This is wood grade. It takes a little longer to cure. It's supposed to be stronger for wood. And all the spider webs that come with it. I'll be back. Put some burn marks in there with my new burn mark tool. Little mark there for the wire to start in. Stop the wire from wandering. Homemade wire burning tool.